Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to make your favorite sounds private in TikTok. If you want to keep your favorite sounds hidden from others and maintain your privacy, follow these simple steps to make your favorite sounds private. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy and scroll down to find the Interactions section. Step 6. Under Interactions, tap on Favorite Sounds. Step 7. Finally, disable the option to Make Public in order to make your favorite sounds private. By following these steps, you can ensure that your favorite sounds are kept private on TikTok, allowing you to enjoy your personal collection without sharing it with others. Making your favorite sounds private can be beneficial if you want to maintain your privacy and keep your musical preferences personal. It allows you to curate your own collection without publicly displaying it on your TikTok profile. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the privacy of your favorite sounds on TikTok.